Hey, welcome back, guys. All right, guys, I'm doing a raised bed. I'm using containers, the blue container, and then I'm framing around them. And this is the design. Look how they're looking. I'm not finished. I still have some support I want to bring right to the bottom underneath to help support. All I did, I put some screws to keep it together. Both some small holes in the bottom. This is the next one right here, guys. So it's getting there, guys. Container garden using these drums and frame around them. And what I do, I have wood chip on the ground. So the wood chip gonna keep down the weeds from growing. So this is gonna be just a nice area where I'm just gonna be doing some container garden. Hope this video can motivate somebody. Please like, subscribe and share, and stay tuned for more updates.